In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize ActiveCampaign forms. Whether you're looking to create a simple contact form or a detailed questionnaire, the customization options in ActiveCampaign can help you tailor your forms to your exact needs. Let's dive right in. First, from your ActiveCampaign dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. There you'll see a section labeled Website. Go ahead and click on that. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Forms. This is where all your forms are housed. Now, you'll be presented with a list of your existing forms. Find the one you'd like to tweak or update. Just click on it to open up the editing window. It's that easy. Once you're in, over on the right side of your screen, you'll notice a panel packed with fields that you can add to your form. You can enhance your form with these fields, which include essential default contact fields like name, phone number, and even fun options like images and CAPTCHA for added security. If you're looking to add something a bit more specific, ActiveCampaign gives you the flexibility to do that too. Just click on the plus icon next to Custom Fields. This allows you to create fields tailored specifically to your needs. Maybe you have some particular data you want to gather. Once you've created your custom field, just drag and drop to add it to your form, just like the default fields. Now that you've got your fields in place, it's time to move on to the exciting part, styling your form. On the right panel, you'll find a Style tab. Click on it, and a world of customization opens up. Here, you have the power to alter the look and feel of your form. Change the layout, adjust sizes, pick your colors, and tweak the spacing to make things just right. This is where your form starts to really take shape and reflect your brand's identity. Moreover, you have the option to click on individual elements on the form itself. When you do this, you'll notice that their specific properties come up on the right panel. This feature allows you to get even more granular with your editing. Perhaps you want to change the text displayed or adjust the alignment. You can customize these properties to suit your preferences. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time to embed your form. Look over to the top right of the page, where you'll find an option labeled Integrate. Click on this, and you'll receive the embed code for your form. You can use this code on your site, making it easy for visitors to interact with the form. Alternatively, if embedding isn't your style, ActiveCampaign also provides a link to your form that you can simply copy and share. And there you have it. You've successfully customized an ActiveCampaign form, ready to capture the right information and engage with your audience seamlessly.